there, so that it will get the actual color. Otherwise, if you want to, like, you don't need the color, you can select the simply black and white, and then click on the print. And in the mode settings, you can see also change the paper size. Okay, if you it is letter size, select the letter, or if it is A4 size, select the A4. Then also pages per sheet, if you select the two, so it will show like this. Okay, or if you select the one, so it will show one page per sheet. And scale, like it is fit to printable area, fit to paper. Okay, there are different options, so you can simply uh, keep it on the default. If you don't want to change anything, then simply click on the print, and it will print your documents. Okay, so this is the very basic things of this one also. And if you go to the insert, here in the insert, you can basically you can add, um insert so many things. Like if you hyperlink, like I want to hyperlink this word, I can simply click on the link and click on the insert link, and here I just put the link. Let's say I put here https://ts4u.us and insert this. See, this text is right now in the hyperlink. If I click here, see, it's navigating me into the ts4.us. Okay, this is how you can do the hyperlink. And also, if you want to like insert a image inside here, so simply you can click on the picture, and for if your picture is into the OneDrive, you can select the OneDrive. Or if you want to upload the picture from the device, I mean from your local machine, select the this device, then here select a picture. I have multiple picture here. Okay, okay, so this is the picture. And also you can change the picture size. You can let me see how can lock aspect ratio. Okay, wrap text. Okay, you can also change like if it is like behind the text or not. If you select the behind the text, it will go to the behind the text. Okay, and if you select these into the like in front of text, see, it will go in front of the text. You can also change the formation of the picture, and also you can change the height, width of the picture. Okay, so also you can change this transformation of the picture. Okay, and also you can put a border if you want. Like if you select a border, why it's not showing? Okay, like I want to make it round. See, it's showing me round, and also it's dropped a shadow here. Okay, and also if you want to change something else like this, see, it's looking good. Okay, so this is how also you can just do with your pictures. And also if you go to the insert again, and here also you can also upload the online video. And also you can put the header and footer. In the header, if I click on the header and footer, so see, this is the header and this is the footer. Okay, I don't know why they put the by default the table here. So let's say I put here the page number. And what is the by default page number here? See, one. Sorry. After this page number, I want to add the page number. Okay, so now let me see, one, two, three. So it's showing me the page number also. And also if I want to into the header, if I want to add something here, like I want to add a picture, I mean, like if you want to add the logo here, do you have any logo? Okay, here is my logo. Okay, so also let me make it bigger. And why it's not showing? I think why it's not showing for the background color. Mm, okay, let me give another image. I'm not sure why it's not showing. Oh no, why it's not showing me? It's supposed to show here. Okay. It's getting the header. Here you can see that it's putting a space here, but why it's not showing the image here? It's supposed to show here. Options. Uh, you can also, like, if you want to same across in the entire document, like if you have 100 pages here, you can select this one, so it will give you the, it will show you the same header and footer on those 100 pages. Okay. And if you want to, like, want to just show into the different first page, only for the first page, you can select this. And also you can remove page numbers, you can remove headers and footers also. Okay, but I'm not sure why it's not showing the image. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, if I go to for print, let me see. Is it showing here? Oh, okay, it's showing here, but I don't know why it's not showing there. But here, see, it's the, yeah, like this is your logo, for example, and this is your page number. See, it's showing in every pages. So this is how you can add the header and footer for every pages. Okay. And the another important one is, let me show you, and also I just will not forget that find. Like here, if you want to find something, let's say I want to find ffm, so just write ffm, and here you can see it will select all the ffm in your document file. Okay. And also if you want to replace into, like, this ffm, replace with the, like, I want to replace with wherever it will get the ffm, it will replace with the field FILD force management, and replace all, it will replace all the FFM. See, let me close. See, there is no FFM right now. Everywhere is it's become the field force management. Okay. And okay, and then the layout is basically like if you want to change the page layout. Okay, like if you want to make it A4, then just the size, make it A4. Or if you want to size into the letter, select the letter. And also if you want to put the spacing before, spacing after, you can put the spacing before and after also. Like here, I put the spacing before. See, it's just adding a space the before the text. And like if I put the spacing after, see, where I will select, it will make a space there. See, this is how you can add a spacing before and after in your text. Okay. Then what we need is table of content, where we can create the tables. Okay, here we can create the tables. So if you want to create any tables is also important. So create just select here, and then, like, select these are the rows and these are the columns. So just select, like, I want 3 rows and 3 columns. So simply you can give the here title, description, and what I can do, put here comments. Okay, so you can also readjust these columns and rows. Okay, so you can put the title here, you can put the description here, you can put comments here. And if you need more rows, you can just, after writing here something, put a tab, so it will add more. See, so this is how you can add more. And also if you want to change the color, just select this, go to the, sorry, go to home and select the color from here. Okay. Okay, so this is in a nutshell of the my this doc. Okay, so